These are my two GAN cubes, guys. Wait, what? Okay, so this is the map to go to the IITP. It's my home, and so the plan was from home we'll be going to my school, and from my school we'll move towards the IITP. So, guys, we are finally moving towards the building where our workshops are organized. So, you can see the building we are moving. So, that's the building where we are gonna go. These are my school friends. Hashtag IITP 3ED. And this is the techfest ground where the CELESTA is gonna happen. And this is the Robo War. Just one ball, the right side is out. We have a little bit of issue in the game. Now it's sorted out.
3, 2, 1, start. Okay, now time out. We have time for.
Look at this, guys. This is the stadium where the Robo War is going to happen. And here we have the Micro Mouse Stadium. And this is where the death race is going to happen. Although we are not going to go in this, because we have lost in that Robo Soccer. So now we are going to do our workshop. So this is our professor. So finally our workshop is ended, and now it's time to explore the death race and Robo War.
One start. Trying hard to cross the first hurdle. See. Oh, nice. Let's cross the first hurdle successfully. It's clean. Trying hard to cross the second hurdle. Let's see. It's able to cross the slope. Okay. No penalty. Again, trying hard to cross the slope. 15 seconds remaining to cross the lap. It's hurdle. Let's see. Hurdle 2 is a little bit difficult. Let's see. Okay. Balance problem. I think one penalty. Once again, you have to start. One penalty for Sivan. Once again. Trying very hard. Let's see.
So the death race got over, and the winner got something about 25k. And now let's play some games.
सेमी डिजाइन और पूरी हो रहा है रसल हो रहा है क्या चीज ओ भाई अरे रिवर्स टाइम आउट बहुत बढ़िया वाओ गाड़ी इसका मोटर तेज है बैट फंस गया बैट फंसा है
ये पूरा फंस गया एक दूसरे में